Hi class. Now that you have learned what a ballad is and you've listened to some examples and learned about the tone of the ballad, you've chosen your topic and the tone that you want your ballad to have. I'm going to help show you what I mean when I say to write a story that your ballad is going to be based on. So first I want to show you my topic. This was from the list that you guys had, the suggestion list. My topic that I chose was "One morning when I woke up, I was invisible." And the tone that I decided I want my ballad to have, it should make them feel sad, but also be kind of funny. Okay, so that's my topic and my tone. Now I'm going to show you how I did my 10 to 12 line story. Now, mine is actually longer than 10 to 12 lines. Yours does not have to be this long, but that's just how mine ended up. If yours is longer, that's fine too. But here's my story. One morning, I woke up and stretched. I opened my eyes and saw the sun shining through the curtains. I got out of bed and went downstairs to say good morning to Mom. I stood across the table from her and told her good morning. She ignored me. Then she put my breakfast on the table and called me to come to breakfast. She didn't see me or hear me. She went to the bottom of the stairs and called louder. I jumped in front of her and said, here I am, but she didn't see or hear me. She was mad and left for work. I went out to catch the bus and it was pulling up as I walked up. As soon as all the other kids got on the bus, it drove off. It didn't even wait for me to get on. The bus driver and the students couldn't see me. By now I realized I was invisible. I walked to school, which took a long time, and as I crossed the street, I had to be very careful because no cars could see me. I went into the school and went to my first class. But since no one could see me or hear me, I guess there was really no point in being there. So I went downtown and walked around in stores, and then finally I went home. So you see how that works? That's based on my topic, which was one morning I woke up and I was invisible. This is a story about what happened. That's what I want you to do before you start writing your ballad, is write your story in a manner like this.